Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful designer boat neck blouse. And if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. And for more update, follow my Instagram page. So today in this video I'll be making a blouse size of 36 inches. So if you are 35, 36 and 34 inches, sure, you can just follow this measurement, and if you're more than that you can add plus 1 or half an inch from the given measurement. So first I'm just leaving 1 inch for down fold of the blouse, and I'm arcing in the lining blouse, and I'm taking the length of the blouse to 13.5 inches, which include 0.5 for shoulder joint. Okay, so from there I'll be marking my shoulders. So the shoulder is 7 inches, just give a mark. Okay, and the armhole depth is 6.5 inches. So that's the armhole depth I'm just drawing. So exactly at the 6.5 inch I've given a mark. From there I'm marking the upper body. Upper body is 9.5 inches, just give a mark for 9.5 and just draw another line. So I'm giving 1.5 for seam allowance, and same 9.5 here, and 1.5 seam allowance goes for down 2. Just draw a straight line like such. And just curve this out. So the neckline width is going to be like 4 inches. So it depends, if you want you can give 4 and or 4.5, and neckline depth to be a 3.5 inches. So these two measurements are absolutely depends upon how wide you want. Okay, basically the 4 would be the exact measurement for boat neck. And once drawing, I'll be just shaping in place, and the neckline would be made in an interfacing canvas. So before preparing the neckline, let me cut the blouse out like this. So if you want more blouse kind of videos, do hit on this like button so that I can understand that you're looking for more blouse tutorial like this. Okay, so whenever you make a boat neck, make sure you just cut the armhole in a nice curve like such, so that it gives you a nice fitting at the armhole. Okay, so I'm just making this is the back part of the blouse. Okay, so once it's done, I'm going to make the interfacing canvas. So my interfacing canvas is folded in half. So same neckline width I'm going to give over here too. So the neckline width is going to be 4 inch, and the neckline width depth is going to be like 3.5 inches. And draw a rectangle like this. So once after drawing the rectangle, I'm going to draw my neckline. So actually you're going to draw the exact neckline depth of 10 inches. Normally I used to take the neckline depth as a 10 inches. So first I'm drawing, just marking that 10 inches. Into that 10 inch you're going to mark the triangles. So from the top just mark the 10 inch, and you're going to divide this measurement into 3 times. So from here to here it comes like 6 inches. So I'm just dividing into 2 like such. So you're going to leave half an inch after marking the neckline, and from that half an inch mark 2 inches down like this. And the width of the triangle would be 1 3/4 inches. Okay, like this. Draw the triangle, and you're going to cut this out. Iron this interfacing canvas on a piece of lining fabric, and you're going to sew that together. And keep watching, and if you like this video, do click on the thumbs up button, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page for more updates.